In this video, I'll show you how SOLIDWORKS and Simulia CST Studio Suite connect seamlessly, enabling bi-directional geometry updates and parametric control for faster, smarter design iterations. CST Studio Suite is a powerful electromagnetic simulation tool from Dassault Systèmes for high and low frequency applications covering everything from antennas to linear actuators to PCB design and EMC analysis. While CST can import SOLIDWORKS models directly, today we'll focus on something even more powerful: the 3D CAD Parametric Import. This feature not only brings your geometry into CST, but also makes SOLIDWORKS global variables accessible, enabling true bi-directional associativity. Here is an example of a horn antenna modeled in SOLIDWORKS. Several global variables control key dimensions, making it easy to modify the design. Now let's see how CST connects to this model. Inside CST Studio Suite, I'll start the 3D CAD Parametric Import. CST automatically detects the open SOLIDWORKS model, but you can also browse for others. Next, we select which parameters or SOLIDWORKS global variables we want to import. For maximum flexibility, I'm going to import all of them. Once imported, these parameters appear directly in CST. That means we can drive geometry changes from within CST, whether that be manually or via parametric sweeps or even with optimization runs. And because the link is bi-directional, updates flow both ways, meaning they can be driven by either tool. A description is automatically added to any parameters associated with the parametric import, differentiating them from other parameters that you may manually create within CST. Now, let's run a time domain simulation to analyze the horn antenna's performance. Often, simulations reveal opportunities for improvement, like adjusting the horn's geometry for better directionality. Thanks to the parametric import, it is incredibly easy for us to drive these design changes directly within CST Studio Suite or within SOLIDWORKS. The geometry will be updated in both either way. This capability goes far beyond basic import-export workflows. It ensures continuity between design and simulation, reduces errors, and accelerates your development process. Want to learn more about Simulia CST Studio Suite or see how this workflow can benefit your projects? Contact us at TriMech Simulation Solutions. We'd love to help. Thanks for watching.